Plain vapor trail. One thing I've noticed the last couple of days, the crows have been very vocal. Crows. Cawing. Isn't that what they do? They caw. Today's Monday. Hey. It's the moon. Today's Monday the 21st. Monday the 21st of October, 2019. It's a nice day. But I'm talking about something bad. There's that crow. I wish I wasn't, but I am. Tomorrow's the 22nd. It's the anniversary of Jake's murder. Tomorrow is Tuesday. In 1989, Halloween was a Tuesday. Halloween. Weta spirit. Wetterling. Jacob Wetterling. And Yi-Ming Yuan. Spiritual connection. I don't have a photo of Nathan Breeze here, but he's connected too. And the reality is the reality. It's a nice day today, 21st. 21st of October. (2019). The moon must be pretty close to the third quarter. Just looking at it. Has the third quarter been? Maybe. I'm not sure. Can't remember. (3:41 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time tomorrow. Tuesday 22nd of October. The 30th anniversary of Jacob's murder. Steamboat Geyser. In Wyoming. Is going to go off with its 41st major eruption of 2019. Rebecca is Jacob's mother in the Bible. It's a name on the Atlantic hurricane name list. It's not likely that it would actually get up to Rebecca. But Rebecca has the same value as Nathan. Nathan. Snake is 50. The picture of Dorian Gray. Dorian was a monster hurricane. Destroyer of the Bahamas. Jake's monster was on October 22. And Yi-Ming Yuan, his torture was in 2019 in Singapore at the hands of the authorities. Jail wardens, prison officers, sadists. So the reflection is coming on Halloween, 10 days from today. The reflection of torture and imprisonment. The imprisonment is even worse, because the former DJ is in the custody, in the captivity of those who tortured him. So when he closes his eyes, he has nightmares. He dreams in red. He dreams in red. And when he opens his eyes, he sees his torturers again. The last interval was 199 hours. The next one's 341. 10 minutes less than 6 days is the interval. Black Thursday. Halloween is on a Thursday in 2019. The DJ. The former DJ. He's like an angel in a cage, trapped in a cage, unable to escape. Daniel and Samuel, the twins in Red Rain. Sentenced to 24 strokes. The twins are 12 years old. 12 times 2, 24. 6 times 4. 6 times 4. Halloween 2019, sign. The place like hell, called Hades. Bulb. Little angels. And angels in cages. Trapped in cages. Yiming Yuan, former DJ. His music is silent. His music is silent now. He's in a place of immense sadness, immense trauma, immense pain, immense hurt. He's in jail. But you know what? Putting him in jail wasn't enough. It wasn't enough to satisfy the sadists. They had to torture him as well. They are worse, even worse, than the man who kidnapped and murdered Jake. And why do I say they're worse? Because they torture. Mentally and physically. Jake's kidnapper only tortured him, for the most part, mentally. But Yiming Yuan, he was tortured mentally and then physically. And then 20 years of mental torture, on top of all the mental torture and physical torture. And these people say they're good people, these conservative religious sadists. They think they're good people? Really? In whose world, in whose deluded mind? Whose demented, deluded mind are they good people?